PURC mpanyufo so chese say de busumi miense bia wo be nsakra ese libe water be one bela aka hudo bebre no so obetutum anaso obetete so no ye de mu nkyiremu e ba bedam ye
de be ko ketu no for baton peso so when this amanyoku no mu flamantemo yate se na no adan this amanyoku na baton mo kokoto ye koyi obi a ogina de amanyoku no wo peso no so no eku bi asore o party no mo se wo mo aginsunsanso no tumu a enye
by election no whatever be hwehwe so ewo asen north ntia nam so ma de hye bi e kasa ya wo kire se empuntu nwuma wa hye ase a wo ye ewo mpeso so honom no eye nipa ba ku pebi ntia
observe when you afofro pi ni akeke se ni aye ne se kase a ba bia wo bia na no pe ye ba ne de aba besom wo medindi na na ya obo amale bia boga no pe me ne
akua bo achewa asempa yetia
ye hye kase na semfemfro my Ghana adwuma efoku ba tan TUC wo no matena ye be mre kakra ne e na beto adwa se adwuma efo bi no mo ye adwuma ewo so ni asogli wo ma adwumani mu no empanimfo fantrekese ne frankadam kwa bi so yi wo ma dia chesenti ase bia nimu na amso mbe ka hye ne so a Ghana adwumanfo nyina ka bo mu ekoye ye kire o so ne asogli wo ma adwumamu no mo sese adwumanfo no a wo ma ayi wo ma die no amfa mra kwan so amfa kwan papa so ntebe ya empanimfo yen hihye na mo nsa mfa mra ntere ma ba wa no adwuma enkohye wo nsa no metoa wo ma adwuma so adaya ye so wo yo ma dwene so wo ka wo wa bom no ma atikuo na ababe ya adwumanfo kubatan a ekoba se bia bibini na enema nkoye wa adwumam wono mo a wo mo ako ede ama eye adwumanfo no na mpanifo ede adwuma no anse na wo mutirim na anya wo da enam so ma wono ma ayi wo madie enra osofo hwe apadie ene adwuma ye ho nsensem so asem yo ba mo ene adwumanfo nyina hia e ma nkomo pinua ekoso no mo di nkomo no wieye no na Dr. Yauba o my God adwumanfo nyina kubatan kese TUC oda no ede warning ema mpanimfo mo da so ne asogli adwuma na no se na wotwe mienu achi se adwumanfo no man sanfo mo amma enuomo no mo de okure mu.
And we want to warn them that we are giving them this chance that organized labor is speaking and they better listen. And this message is not going only to management of Sloan Association. It is also going to the president of Ghana and his government. They better listen to organized labor. Otherwise, they know what will happen. I don't have to really mention this. So, because this is about the third or fourth time we are discussing this issue, we are not going to waste your time. Those who should listen, should listen.
I was here, Dr. Anthony Yauba, na pene kwanchefo a wada TUC Ghana adwumanfo kubatan no ano.
Ebusaye maamenom ene papa no mo ntintu hosika koka e wa banche no omo san yo ye kire biemo ye nam so emasika sem so afo abedi kire maame abena osai asare ene omo atwetwe nkomo adwodwo makoma a kire se aban eye do betimi bia so do musika no ebema mo nesa ne se asam no eto makoma sunti pensioner bondholders forum yi e de so ye kire no atwentwen so kakra
and appreciate where you are coming from. This has never happened where coupons are ready for payment or are due for payment and government has refused to pay. But currently, we all know the circumstances in which we find ourselves. And I'll plead with you, let's sit and clear the five and then we'll see the way forward. So respectfully, I'll ask that...
Let's finish.
Yes.
You see, we have now planned our gathering here in a manner that will allow government some space to operate. We all know what is happening. So when we meet here today, we are meeting tomorrow. Monday, we won't come. Tuesday, we won't come. Wednesday, we won't come. To give you the opportunity to start paying.
Enkomode yakotie ye Deputy Finance Minister Mame Abena Osei Asare wono ena no ne pensioner bondholders forum yi atwetwe sankomo no.
Abso eguso ade mo gira yesika sano no ntutu mu no otufo ma rehene bafo Osei hia my brintua otoso nan ena mo beka hye ne nso nche bia ena my Ghana yetiri ye ya ne ye bohu se IMF mpanimfo ajatum se $3 billion ya Ghana ban ehu abeg se omomfa nom yen se be ne yesika bejina brand no woma agiatumu a ye dikan kra $600 million ababedura ye hwene mu se gebebo me yisikasem atoto ye ede ama yen na bafo osehia my brintu a oyo tumfo ma rehene ofra konya se ma rehene no mfie makomako aduonu nwotwe 28 years ni enti enra asofo kukudam koi kujampa ye edema eye bafo ena one nsentwefo di nkomo no obusa se o my god na niema odomfo twedi amponyankrompon de adom ye no enye bi ne $3 billion ya e wosa ban ene mperimfo Ghana fo nyina edu ba bi na asempa ye kra no ne ye bobi se IMF na nya ntumu a krono ebebo wo se niema twedi amponyankrompon de adom omayi ye nsase ase ene ye nsase ne se ye trase ne asese a enye bi ne $3 billion na ne da so no ye nhyase ne anwene nkonkan ye nye nhihye ye na niema twedi amponyankrompon de adom ye no ye maso manfa so emomayi sense da bia no ye de ne bekọ akoto kozikoko so na sika fia bi watam de amaye na soso ehon hyehye ne ho mra se tienie na oda ho a enanye bafo osehia my brain to otumfo ma rehene
na se edru stage MPP for na begging for 3 billion first ubia beg ya call IMF ubia kobi otia se na sika kura na ye koji no IMF wo mu no sika nyina ye say about 600 billion yen untapped no equivalent of 12 trillion enti ekwan be na ye befa so a yen ye de no e betimi atap ne 3 billion kra de swa ne akopacho ne akosre China for ne akosre German for no bia but 3 billion chief cocoa wa ye produce no ye produce cocoa send ye free cocoa mu
for way ayo tumfo ma rehene bafo osehia my brain to ya otoso 9 na yete ngen
Penny power share any amansending komo ema PURC adwumakuo no Dr. Kofi Obute eyasutire se wobehwe ayansakra ya bosome miense bia sede beya light bill water bill ene eto ahodo bi akeka ho no wobehwe ne so obetete so se ne se anaso obetutum so a wobeye ne sa wode to yenim so wobehwe fango bo ene sidi na ho wode so ka ho ene dollar na ho wode wode atete so na se watutubu ni
Meparto ani egese yebetutum the woman say parameters na me boss no exchange rate inflation the generation mix between thermal and hydro any the fuel price no depending on the direction na ebeko no na tariff no so ebeko the woman say tariff na ye just say 18.36 no again nyina akra na commission say among for 8 years that's not what the commission is pushing to the consumers and I will say it nyina I will say it about 27.5% if we to recoup everything and I will say about 27.5% increase but in the wisdom of the commissioners no must no my heading if you yan kakaka if you say the idea ma no 18.36% now revenues now over 10 for this quarter to operate no 1.3 billion now 1.3 billion now also munyano so say 18.36 na idea ma no if you able to recover 600 million cedis not just akabe 400 and something million cedis also recover I get best edaho
Penya kasa ye kwankyerɛ for hwɛ ne amansan edi nkomo ema PURC adwumakuo no Dr. Kofi Obute
Yeah, to also na ya de makwase no for bottom person asoma mo ne tua se di lezie butu ne yamiem na by election ya empedimfa hyehyɛ se odon for ya adom abosumi ya yewrami ne de to so aduo no nso no eja abato no abaso na enra enamrase dwani a manso ba no ho a enam so ma by election aba e wase no for bottom person aso mfimfim mantemo wode krata ba bonte se samanfo peu so no mpeu wo besa akọ na 27 by election no wakwa kojina dia ma NDC amanyuku no honorable James Jechikwesin and I'm small penny bi a wabene pa wo mram mranimfo esa so ekire ho ade wo gempa de afutuo kwama kanem rasebe dwani se so penny ye pa ade no ne anamonto no opese otu no wonwene ho mienu no penny bebe entena Dr. Kwaku Anane Jinde and as some perfect in for you put in on the cooking como say a job your yamranim for na osaso chemra na osia ho ade no ne ade ade ye busa sana montua eye asen of mrase gani peso to se chenchena obesa koba election ni bio no se bia nko otu no fo a kobeka ne seni no chesa ade na wo kwakwa ne ewu pa enti so pani ya won pedi be bi ntina no nko di ne hia
there's another leg of the case, the criminal aspect, I want high court because who could file for election now? Who didn't see you? The case statutory declaration. Now statutory declaration be who yes statutory declaration. Not said that change. And the day they say you cannot and you no credit and no above for no perjury. I know a criminal until no beneath the attorney general were interested. Obe pursue that perjury case here, meaning, but no error. But to say that no can say the question from all indications, the process is not go through. Say or qualify say obe to be contested. Aspect no, and also error. Obe pursue there, he can also go ahead and then pursue that criminal aspect. In the moment that Nipa no best started that criminal aspect, obe to be the court. So there's a criminal case pending against him in court. And because of that, I'm asking the court to say, "Yemfa injunction to no so." Open say, "Ye be the criminal case no we."
Abusia oye mranin for esa so kremra ewo Gimpa senior lecturer pa Dr. Kwaku Ananejinde ena yete nenken.
Yanko so nyina mu ewo ase north ho we frase awo ye nsese adwumade bi ewo asen breku eye ase north ni kropo na de hye bi kirema ye raja chikwesi nti ene wa hye ase ye akwan no ene obehwe fidie pa ye de abegu krom ho edwi akwan no wo hwe asen breku wo fa omokwan no so sa de wo kwa district assembly ho na ye siesie omokwan no ye kama na we ena de hye ni kirem akase we de ja chikwesi wabayo mu Yesu Kristo ye awu ede age omonko monsama modema ye no ebini
kwa no mo start no 2020 election time no mo start say aduma no na ya to abana wana mo gbe the equation be wi ni no mo ja e pan ne to so mo che say ya to free parliament ya ko by election no ma start ye de machine no be go kan so so mo ye aduma pan yo mo ja to kra ache ye 2020 na o mo nya na no mo ja to ti me de nya ma de foforo ya na ye ni e so che so mo e wa so mo ye na no ana mo gusu a o mo ye no tina ye penita ya o ke ni ma che ke o mo be ye kan no na me ado ma election ba so ya omo yeti omo go so nye to enyama de foforo because of violation in India and akwa no omo ye na mumu no e biara ga no me ja me pai boni me na se ne se e fa na se ma e papa jim the equation because ono da o se ye bo aje biara ai be ku se fata o ma nya ma kru no bia no o be so mo piti ya mo ma ye e cho yo no nti ana ma kwan e ko so ko mo am se mi anti pare no am me anko violation na Tanga kwa omunye enti aye me aka me kwa do ke kwa e bebo to ko sinja na sa to ma no wini e kwa kwa du ba bia ono de ka to ma ne sa so me asa pa na do ba election e be o me to be yam pati tumo wo ko mo nyina enti me ya so
Amafo ase north mu nsemu ne ne free 1996 so bien so mu kromo so mo ba ya kwan ne da na so ba election nti o ma so amfidie abeguso
yaremo kwa MPP amajoko na tena yekese won krapum premantam na no fia de twam yi eno mo bie nkrata mu tu hono mo se rua no mo a wo mo pe president edi wo party ne mu no obi amrei no me fa ne nkrata menam so ma se de okekese ne nipa bedu ena akofa nkrata ne sa enra ena mraspe ne wo mraspe fie ma de hye wa Sen Central abaton peso asonobo Kennedy kwame akompre ko Japan ekofa ne nkrata eja se de ne kese kwamu atene president no a eno rei pe edie oru akwa mu wusu ene ko gina yera kredi Japan anemo ewo MPP amajoko na tena kese won krapompone mantemo ekofa nkrata edema no ono ene campaign manager edema yera Kennedy Japan ne campaign ne ntutu nyina na ofa nkrata ne wiye no nsem sei ena ode eto nsemtwefo anim.
It's important that we are in before we go to real general elections. So we are here today humbly just to come and pick our form on behalf of our people that he has been fighting for. And again, I say the grassroots. And so we are here to represent them. There are many all over the country, and they couldn't have been better represented by my chairman and myself, so that at least they can feel that it is for them that the man represents Japan. I will be a believer who say, well, you'll be or you're disciplined, or you're honest, and or Julian Imamo. The what is or can't MP Kuana where you know or Kumayaman.
I was for Penny Kwamo Usu campaign manager Edema Yura Kennedy Kwame Akompre Japan no and then Raujana Nemo a fan and crata Edemano.
for Bekaya, what by election, Ewo Kumawuno, and Pennyfo Begu or Mark Quine is Sia Hodo, a Dana Quine be a yano asphalt. Then I'm so Emayera Emmanuel Cherry or Yapenny Quancha for our Ghana Chamber of Construction and Industry. I know at the Abetu and himself, Quine dear, or Shanta Cremo who say, and Chaquanin in Abesan say.
Said the episode say we are types of rules. Any processes are procedures are FM as an arrive at the final stage. And until say who jumping one or two it's likely say back conclusion and not finishing. Now so finishing a expose you with how they call it with no time. And until say most of times, on say ye asphalt road anyway, but and check within 3, 4, 5 months, penny started to do potholes anyway because of what packaging and ye sanya money a ma or mine a boka unnecessarily. And unti a command and a percentage kakra a babeto or mindful to no more a percent fact you ever to an more jumano. Ye pomodia said, ye bet ye debate juma. A bear crab if I bet me a check a mile.
Penny Quancha for ya the Ghana Chamber of Construction and Industry, or Emmanuel Cherry.
Yadamo Quandis Yaman Yukuno more kitchen of about on Pesia of Lamante, Monano than Andy Yaman Yukuno Cotuaba, El War and Pesian Pesia also so Mokako ye Ranomoa, a Bejina Diamam Yukuno, I want Pesian Pesia who does and Bekuta Frankemo, a day ama partinana. Sabato no a course or no, or do any check it of about on Pesia soa, or more edishess or no, a hot diana coco pie, and Cobo bracket. Now bracket. Na koko boy ye no and a party and penning for years some no e de free e ke to no for the bank line e ma fifi kwete ni Yewra Johnson se dun ketia e tena so ye ne se o mo hwe peteta kremu a opani edem agbana opani edem agbana eno mo fi se wodi first ye eno nti ono ena nyina mandisi amanyuku no ketu no for baton pesua so na eno na ndc agitafo bi a e won pesua no so hs atwea kai sade we de o mo gitumu enye ye enkebo bracket yi na nkamo ye ne se ne yensa nko ne nkonko to aba se ne o my Ghana eja ya baton hihye esitie no na se dipeko bi kokose ba bi ko esa an he petete kremu a we ne de ne ko amana gina de mandisi amanyuku no a wo mo efi so mo te ase a enye ye da enam so menra ye kire nom ne ade ekoso ewo eyeketu no for baton pesua so no na we ese woni nsese ye ka kire wo na opani Enoch eye amegbede edintintima wandisi amanyuku no mo ewo ketu no odi ekuo no ene party ne supporters bi no mo ene ye twan ne ye sign ne fo bi no mo enim ede nsem sei eto nsem twefo anim
candidates as declared by the Electoral Commission. Overturning the declaration by the EC is not in the best interest of the party in the North constituency, and the rationale behind that unprecedented declaration is not in the interest of the whole NDC family. The verification stamp provides evidence that a ballot paper has been issued by an accredited official to a verified voter at a polling station. The Electoral Commission has the capacity to emboss each stamp on the ballot papers before they are brought to the polling stations, but it doesn't do so.
I was on to where NDC amanyoko ne fair walk to no for baton pesua so na se sedie amanfo ni abreko wo ho no
Mashebedwani edema de hia almost sehwidwa boso ndisi amanyoko ni dimu Yewra kwabena minta akando no de abetudwa se galamse ese mantam no pa eni omufudie omunsua hodonua ne omudini na galamse no ena se no na nipa ba akwa ede sobo be ma ne pa manpanyina na adodanko akufado na senyo no nkompo dia ya the Western North mantam so afo Yewra Richard obenso beka ho nyomonko MPP executives bi so wo honoma omo galamse no ase ya SSA oba de ne nepa wo de adomie no.
It is the MPP people who are behind Galamsey. What else? You people with the media, you have to go out there. You know it. Those of you in this part of our region, anybody, any media guy who will say he doesn't know who is behind Galamsey is a hypocrite. You know the MPP people are behind the Galamsey. Every time you ask me, I look quiet. I don't look quiet. Go to my constituency, for example. You see a lot of people doing Galamsey. What are you saying? You are the media guy. You are the voice of the voiceless. What are you saying? You go and on air the people behind this Galamsey. It is the MPP people. If you come to my constituency, for example, it's the MPP executives who are behind this Galamsey. Why would you blame? Will you blame President Akufo-Addo? Didn't he tell us that he was going to put his presidency on the life of Ghana? What happened? Because his own people are behind him. What did Frepong Wati say? That the people who are doing Galamsey are right at the plaster bank. So it trickles down. So no NDC person can get the courage to go and do Galamsey without being arrested.
Panya kasa ye eyonomonyafo kwabena minta akando kopiemu e wo sehwidwabo so wono na ye mrahye badwani e de ma de hia omo ho
ye gira we suna no pen sem e papa no de be som na busu ye de mo sini asore na efia do man hene etenase na de acha bi adwumadie atoaso ye ne ye som no pen na ya bo amalibi aboga no pen mene
ekua bo achewa asempa yitia
Mampa cho mi pie me ba sesie.
When we say me ye aduane, we say me kokuru maba. Akagatu